Peppa's balloon ride.
Before you go. Goodbye for now.
Let's see if I'll give it a try.
Are you feeling lucky today? The top ride is a ride.
Awesome. Well, I mean, they don't make this for tiny. They don't make this for big people. There we go.
Please hold on tight and do not lean out of your basket.
Still going up. You go up a decent amount. Here we go down.
Remain seated until we come to a complete stop. Be careful as you exit your balloon basket. Oh, don't forget to pick up your belongings before you go. Goodbye for now.
Alright, I was just in one of those, and I just want to show you quickly it going up slightly from a different angle. Very colorful.
Please hold on tight and do not lean out of your basket. Have fun, everyone.
Okay, that's what it looks like from this angle going up.